Now let's continue reviewing the requirements to size conductors to motors. Uh, we're now looking at 430.22a and figure 18-3. And basically we're looking at direct current motor rectifier type supplied motors. Now, the basic rule is that the conductor ampacity on the input of the rectifier shall not be less than 125% of the rated input current to the rectifier. Now notice here we're not looking at the nameplate current on the motor or the full load current ratings from our tables that we mentioned, which is for single phase 430.248, for three phase table 430.250. Now where a rectifier is provided, which it would be, we look at a certain percentage that we would use times the input current rating of the rectifier, and notice 190% where the rectifier bridge is of the single phase halfway type is used to provide the DC. The second rule is 150% is used where a rectifier bridge is of the single phase, say full wave type is used. Now, we find this information in the figure 18-3. But what I'm making note of, a lot of people want to go to the motor full load current rating, and they use 430.22 instead of 430.22a. Now the user of the code must review 430.22 in its entirety based upon the type of motor that is present. So that's what we're pointing out at this point of presentation, looking at the figure 18-3 and the requirements of 430.22a.